Okay, how y'all doing? Welcome to the Leather Lily Shoe Repair. Today I'm going to be finishing up my little segment on half soles. Now, unfortunately I don't have a before, but this is the completed product. You can see, nice half sole. Now what's left to do pretty much is I'm going to clean the shoe and buff the shoe off. I started on one and I'll do the other one in a few minutes. Get y'all back to that. Okay, as you can see, it's nice. I've stained it. Put a little marking on there. Buffed it off. I'm gonna clean it and polish it, and we'll be back at you with another tutorial on half soles here at the Leather Lily Shoe Repair.